The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. In search of my mother's garden, I found my own. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they're still beautiful. Don't wait around for other people to be happy for you. Any happiness you get, you've got to make yourself. Thank you is the best prayer that anyone could say. I say that one a lot. Thank you expresses extreme gratitude, humility, understanding. No person is your friend who demands your silence, or denies your right to grow. Sexuality is one of the ways that we become enlightened, actually, because it leads us to self-knowledge. I understood at a very early age that in nature, I felt everything I should feel in church but never did. Walking in the woods, I felt in touch with the universe and with the spirit of the universe. Poetry is the lifeblood of rebellion, revolution, and the raising of consciousness. Life is abundant, and life is beautiful. And it's a good place that we're all in, on this earth, if we take care of it. Is solace anywhere more comforting than that in the arms of a sister? Yes, Mother. I can see you are flawed. You have not hidden it. That is your greatest gift to me. You don't always have to be doing something. You can just be, and that's plenty. Life is better than death, I believe, if only because it is less boring, and because it has fresh peaches in it. What the mind doesn't understand, it worships or fears. As long as the people don't fear the truth, there is hope. For once they fear it, the one who tells it doesn't stand a chance. And today, truth is still beautiful, but so frightening. How simple a thing it seems to me that to know ourselves as we are, we must know our mother's names. I have fallen in love with the imagination. And if you fall in love with the imagination, you understand that it is a free spirit. It will go anywhere, and it can do anything. People do not wish to appear foolish. To avoid the appearance of foolishness, they are willing to remain actually fools. If you want to have a life that is worth living, a life that expresses your deepest feelings and emotions and cares and dreams, you have to fight for it. I think it pisses God off if you walk by the color purple in a field somewhere and don't notice it. All history is current, all injustice continues on some level, somewhere in the world. Writing saved me from the sin and inconvenience of violence. I try to teach my heart not to want things it can't have. I have learned not to worry about love, but to honor its coming with all my heart. The animals of the world exist for their own reasons. They were not made for humans any more than black people were made for white, or women created for men.